Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert or remove a SIM card on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So let's get started. I'm going to show you a couple ways to do it. Depending on the Samsung phone, first thing you need to do is locate the SIM slot. So usually it's going to be on the bottom or the top. There's an outline with the pinhole on it, so I can see it right here in the bottom. There's an outline cut. Sometimes it might be on the top. There are chances that it could be on the side as well. So you just got to look for that cutout for the SIM tray with that little hole. Now, once you find that, you'll need a SIM ejector tool, which comes with it usually like this. Now, you can also take a paper clip and bend it, or you can use a earring as well. That will work. Basically, something that will fit sturdy enough in there where you can give a gentle push. And when you push it, it's going to pop the SIM out a little bit, and then you can just take your finger and pull it out gently. Now, once you pull it out, you might already have a SIM card there, or it might have been there. So you'll notice there's a spot for the SIM here, either on this side or the other side. So you're going to look for the SIM. It's usually the cutout you'll see right here. As you can see here, if you look up close, there's a cutout. Then if there was a SIM card, you can remove it just simply using your finger. Or if you're putting a new SIM card, you would line it up with this piece. So what you would do is take that SIM card, lay it flat, or basically however it fits that little cut corner. It should sit flat just like this as example. And then from there on, you can just go ahead and reinsert it back in. Same exact position. You want to make sure when you insert it, it doesn't pop out. So you want to hold it, use your finger and slightly push it in. And you want to just finger push it in so that it is basically flat against the bezel. And when that happens, you might need to restart. If it's a new SIM card, your phone might give you a notification to restart. It's always good to restart so you can start getting service, especially if you are getting new service. You can do a restart from the top here. Just restart this way. You might get a pop-up, or you can use the volume down and the side button as well to restart so you can start using your new SIM card. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. And thanks for watching.